Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. It's another episode of Bang for Your Buck where we test out popular products to see if they're worth your hard-earned cash. Let's dive in. Today we are highlighting our 700 GSM Ultra-Plush Shag Towels. This is a microfiber beast that promises luxury softness, massive absorption, and amazing durability that outlasts your weekend washes. Let's see if these towels actually deliver the bang or just spend your bucks. Right off the bat, these towels feel ridiculously amazing. It's like wiping down your car with a cloud that's been upgraded to premium. At 700 GSM, these shag towels aren't just soft, they're paint safe soft. That's crucial for dark finishes, soft clear coats, or anyone who panics at the thought of micro marring. No swirls, no scratches, just that buttery smooth finish that we all chase. One of the biggest facts about these towels is that they can dry a whole vehicle because they hold up to 10 times its weight in water. So let's put it to the test. Look at that, no streaks and barely any pressure needed. This thing soaks up water like a sponge. Fewer passes, faster drying, and zero water spots. For daily drivers or weekend detailers, speed matters, and these towels definitely cut that dry time. Cheap microfiber frays faster than your patience when using the 2-bucket wash method. But these towels have satin borders which stop edge unraveling. After multiple washes, they don't curl, they don't stiffen, and they don't lose their softness. They're workhorses, promising polish and shine. Now this is where they outperform regular cotton towels with its long, shaggy weave. Use it dry and it pulls dust like a magnet. Use it damp and it traps dirt, grease, and grime from nooks and tight spots without dragging debris across your paint. This means one towel can move from interior dusting to exterior spot cleaning without swapping gear. Versatility, check. And even though these guys dominate the garage, they are also household heroes. Glass streak-free, mirrors spotless, stainless steel perfect. Even aquariums and electronics clean beautifully because of its ultra-soft weave. So be sure to get a 10-pack and you'll be ready for your detailing or daily life. So do the 700 GSM Shag Towels earn its place in the Bang for Your Buck Hall of Fame? Absolutely. These guys deliver ultra soft paint safety, massive absorption, durability that lasts hundreds of washes, and a weave that you can use both wet and dry. If you're looking for a towel that does it all and does it well, then investing in a 10-pack is definitely worth it for your detailing arsenal or daily life. If you are interested in these towels, be sure to check out the description below. It's going to have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell, and leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.